Welcome back to the channel. If you have been building AI agents that need to interact with web, you know the fatal flaw? They are incredibly fragile. Most browser agents try to figure out the page on every page visit. The read don't guess which button to click, and if the website changed a single class name overnight, your entire automation fails. So it's expensive, slow, and unreliable. Today we are looking at Rindler, a tool backed by Y Combinator that approach this problem completely different. This is their website. So we always start with the website of the product to appreciate their design and the animations they are adding up there. In this day, there is a tons of website that adding animations, but every approach is different. So I really appreciate the super genius brains out there. So this is how the things will work. No effort automation. Describe the job, connect the site, monitor the run, and scale with the automation. So this is the automation that they have already offered. Like they have created tons of integration in their system, so you don't need to worry to do any code. So this is their some marketing section. Like here, how you can do the chat. Do that every weekday morning. So the Rindler will set it run at 7 a.m. on weekend and tell you what changed. This is about permission. You can set your permission so it will always keep you in loop and don't do anything without your permission. This is AI, so obviously there is a credits. You have to use the AI under your credit that you are allocated. This is something their use cases. They said based on that pull open order or submit invoice, check status. So this is something for the P2C businesses, e-commerce businesses, and this is another use case. Open orders every week or weekday, and this is screens and how the things work. Basically, they have shared their use cases over there, and this is automate your site. I'm not sure if I'm able to log in because I believe here the start trial, but I saw they have shared their use cases and their documentations. The documentations we can go up there. So in the documentation, similar way you can use a CLI to utilize the MCP server. Everyone knows the MCP server. If you don't know, this is a simple term I can explain. This is the REST API of the AI. Like whenever a programmer trying to do the communication with the third party services, they create a bridge. That bridge being utilized by data to interact with each system. Two systems communicate on that. But MCP is the same thing, but for the AI. So with the MCP, AI knows, okay, so this is the window that is open. I have to communicate. If someone asks me this information, I can pull from this window. So there's a tons of window MCP servers you can create by your own, and you can utilize with Claude or Rindler or any other tool. So this is some high level information like how you can install the MCP server, and this is the CLI, install and signing and run a task. You can use the CLI even to run the task. I believe you can connect it with your existing LLMs and you can use with that, and this is connect an agent. You can also use this documentations to configure your agent. The days will come when we do the live configuration, but not today. So I have to do a tons of things. So I always try to bring the right products. So you don't need to do the Google. So I'm here to do the Google for you. So you don't need to worry about that. The core tool, MCP server, your agent connect to and for tool. So this is all about MCP server, and everyone knows of MCP server. I have just talked about that here. This is their pricing model. Like it starts with 100, too much expensive. I can understand. And for team, it's a $1,000 per month, 1,000 run per month for team doing photo workday. So clearly, one run is equal to one finished task is equal to $1. So they will charge you when your task is completed, not while the task is running. That is a good plan. I was not aware of this one. This is compare your plan. You can utilize and you can understand the capacity above include run and what you can count on it and the sport team here. So I was looking here. So this is a pretty cool thing. you don't need to log in into that. You can use the demo. So I can say aside of your own starter, Zapier, Hacker, News, and MIT. So let me check here if we can target into shopping. So I love coffee, so I would say uh, bring me top coffee machines. I will go with the just few words so we can understand. So as you can see, okay, so it is thinking. I saw this first website that allow you to utilize their AI by the demo. You don't need to log in or anything. But might be I get wrong. Let's wait for result, and after that we can identify. Okay, so this is something that is bringing us to us. So working on target.com, it's a shopping site. So it's just looking around for you and trying to do the comparison on the backend might be running the thoughts and thinking process by their own. But as they mentioned, this is live. So anything can break. So okay, I need you to approve action so I can search. So once you do, I can retrieve the top rated option for you. So where I have to approve? I just said approved, I believe. Okay, so now it gets back to the target.com and let's wait how the things goes up here. So look like it's done with plan and now let me try to more direct approach to find the best coffee machine on the target. So I think it's just browsing up or might be they have MCP server where they expose their all product and pricing. So AI can also do the shopping for you because without a MCP server, AI can't be, it's really hard for them to utilize the terms of token. But the MCP server, they know the windows, so they just did that way. I'm not sure why my window is getting shake. So as you can see, so this is something not good, I believe. This is live product. I'm not sure how this thing work, but I need you to approve the sorting action target so I can show you. Okay, so now it's still asking for approval. So I just said, okay, approved. Working on target.com. I'm not sure. I have I have explained a lot of things about this product and this is the demo and we are utilizing without logging and still uh, it's asking us approval in recurring and we are not sure if that will work but as on the dev drops we will always drop product that is launched about today or tomorrow or might be this week so we can review that product and we can share everything that you can keep in mind while you're launching your own product. Like this is something you have to do the really strong testing on it. So now it's still working. So web is work on it. So let's wait for a few moments. So I need you to click apply to sort. I'm not sure where is the apply, but what I'm doing, I'm just typing here my action. So based on that might be it's just looking around and trying to find something. So let's wait for it. It's still waiting for our task. I was not sure, but this is the top second product today is about to launch, and the first product that is today is about to launch. I will do the review by tomorrow on it. That is pretty cool. Actually, I can give you some spike on it. You know your operating system, you know very well, but how the if your operating system do the work for you, like it handle all your company operations or it handle all your social media and all those stuff, right? So now it's get back. You just say, I see, let me try searching coffee machine target and we sort the result. I'm sure 100% I can bet it will not return any result and it will just said, okay, I need your approval or you need to click on apply. That doesn't make any sense because there is a no UI. Okay, but this time there is a 307 coffee machines. Now let me sort the result to seller. to show you the top rated one. So now I think might be I'm wrong. So now it have data. It's just kicking me off on my face, and now it's trying to scrapping all the results on the backend. So let's wait for a few moments. So basically, as you can see, let me scroll up down here. So okay, so we said approved, we said apply, we said approve, we said apply, we said yes, and finally here we are. Target need me to click the apply button on the sort. Let me do that. I'm having a trouble getting past target sort interface. Let me try a different approach and search directly from the top coffee machine without relying on the sort menu. I apologize. Target's interface is requiring a specific manual interaction with the apply button that I'm unable to complete through the automation, the side asking to click button. So basically, they just said go to target and search for coffee machine this way. This is what it's trying to do on the backend, like while showing us some menu. So if I just type here, okay, coffee machine. So let's see. So this is the URL that was being built. Target and then parameter and then coffee machine search index. So now we couldn't find match for your search. They're also down. So here we go. So they don't have anything, but here they have provided some suggestions, but the coffee machine is nothing here. So I believe this is not the Rindler problem. This is a website problem. But as you know, the idea how the product is work, you can click on signing and you can try with it. You can do the different stuff. So you can add into the comment section. So how this product will go with you. So we are good for today. Bye bye.